This might be the most underrated use for leftover rice. At least I've been hooked on it lately. You just press it into a little patty and grill it until the outside gets crispy. It kinda reminds me of mochi, except it's crispy on the outside while still staying chewy in the middle. Super simple, you can make it with less than 5 ingredients. Is it just me, or do snacks like this always give off an old school kind of vibe? Like the kind people have been eating for centuries. Which is funny, because I don't actually know what old school tastes like. I promise I'm not that old. But something about simple snacks like this just hit different. No chocolate coating, no caramel filling, just rice. Toasted until it's crispy. And honestly, it beats most of the sugary stuff you find in stores.